This is an album I made. It's a pretty simple album for beginners using the Tonic Studios dies and some other dies I had. Tonic Studios dies made this pretty layered look in the front. The spine, this is a pretty chunky album, so it's nice and big. And then I found these cute little butterfly wing dangles from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were so cute. Here's the back. It's very simple. Turn it around to the front. And then I have the pages. This is constructed out of 110-pound cardstock. This word love is a Tonic Studios die. The paper is Tonic Studios as well. And then each page has a pull-out where you can do some journaling or put pictures, whatever floats your boat. Oops. This is the second set of pages. I found the paper to be so beautiful, I didn't really want to do a lot to it. So I just did these little flourishes. I tried to use gold on every page so that the album just kind of had some continuity, you know, other than just the papers, but had something else. So then I made a cute little waterfall. And on the waterfall, I did go ahead and put papers on each side. I have to be honest, I'm not sure if this was from the Tonic Studios die that I have. I have another album die set that's similar. I think it is. The word love is definitely Tonic Studios. This pull-out here, I believe, is Anna Griffin, but Tonic Studios has a pop-up die pull-out that's absolutely gorgeous, and I just bought it. If I'd had it, I would have used it for this album. The word memories. And then I have two little butterflies. These are actually from punches, and then I just layered them and put the pearls on them. This is a belly band die that Nicole Silhouette makes and sells at AliExpress. This is it going the other way. I wish Tonic Studios made belly band dies because I think they're so cute. And then I made a coin envelope. And you can put whatever you want inside here. Tickets, mementos. Maybe you have a secret love letter that you want to save. Good things. And then I made two others for this side. Once again, my little butterflies there. And another little pocket. This one's a little pocket as well. You could keep pictures in there. And this is all off of the Tonic Studios album die set. Then I've got little pockets that I made. And each pocket has a tag. And once again, these are all from the Tonic Studios, and it's the layering dies. And then I used little gold elements throughout. This is also just two tags. I think the paper is gorgeous. And then I left the back side blank so you can journal. This was fun. This is also Tonic Studios die, and I thought it was just so freaking cute. And then I just made a blank little sheet that I left in each one of these so you could put a little memory or something on it. The word wish is Tonic Studios die. This is just a little messy ephemera thing that I made, put together. And then once again, here's another little ephemera I printed off the internet. I think I paid for it. And then I put some of the Tonic Studios glaze stuff over the top. I can't recall the name, but it's the clear glaze they have. This is a Tonic Studios die. I just love it. And then look, this wonderful tag comes out, and then you can put whatever you want on it. You could put a picture on the back, and you could journal on the front. That'd be fun. Or you could stamp a sentiment. And as you can see, this paper is so lovely. It can just stand by itself. It's beautiful. Another tag. Sorry. I'll just leave it out for right now. And then the last page. remember and time. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed watching this and seeing this little album that I made for my mother-in-law. I certainly hope she likes it as well. Thank you. Bye. Hi, I'm here to share this album I made. It's a little walkthrough with a Nicole Silhouette die. She has an album die that I just love. It makes this cute little shaker cover. It has the nice little leaves here, and it has some flowers. I didn't use the flowers. I used some sunflowers I had because I made this for my daughter, and she's really into sunflowers. I believe this is maybe one of Nicole's bow dies, but I'm not 100% sure on that. These little butterflies here are from Martha Stewart punch. This little element here that the bow die is sitting on is from Nicole Silhouette's belly band die set, which is so stinking cute. I love it. And here's the back of the album. This is a wonderful, wonderful die set if you're just starting out and wanting to make your very first album. This is great. It really makes a beautiful album. The paper I used was Graphic 45. I think it's called In the Garden. I'm not exactly sure. And then here's some little kitty cat silhouettes throughout the album that I put in just for fun. Each page has a pull-out tag. This tag is actually a Nicole Silhouette die that I just took. If you look, I just took the matting page, I whacked off the sides, and I whacked off an inch on the bottom, and that made this tag. So I thought that was fun. It's very versatile. That is a Nicole Silhouette oval. Right, this is the belly bands that I was talking to you about. I love the belly bands. They are so stinking cute, don't you think? And then I really like the little cat silhouettes, and I made little butterflies. These are just little coin envelopes that you can put pictures or mementos in, whatever you want. They're held together with Velcro backing. And then this one is just with a little crosshatch die on front, a little bow, and then once again held together with Velcro, and you can put goodies inside. Oops, there we go. Then I made some little frames. Like I said, each page does have a tag you can pull up. And just to make them all a little bit different, I added some other stuff to them. Oops. There's a butterfly and some lace. This butterfly is just a punch. I had two different punches that I just put together. Layered. Oops. Okay. Put that in later. Blank page. More tags. Oops. This is the flower that came in the set with the leaves. I thought those were very pretty. This is a Graphic 45 envelope and tag die that I used. Once again, a different butterfly. Nicole's got a bunch of beautiful butterflies that she's done. Here's another tag in a pocket. Another kitty cat. This is the tag going sideways in the pocket. I just left it plain with pearlized paper because I thought it would be nice to just put some pictures on it. Another Graphic 45, another kitty. And this paper was so pretty, it really didn't need anything on it. But this tag die is awesome. This tag die and the layering piece come in the album kit. So this is wonderful. You can make little tags and put them in your albums. Here's, once again, that bigger tag that I made using the layering piece that I just whacked the sides off in the bottom to make it fit. Two more little kitties. And that's the last page of the album. So I hope you like this die. I love this die set. I'm going to make more. I thought it'd be fun to do it in a jungle scene, and got some other papers that I'd like to use it in. I really like the shaker element. I will put a link below to where you can find this die and maybe some other dies that I used if I can find them. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye.